Drainage improvements are always something we want to celebrate, and this is a major one. This one has been years in planning and permitting, and we are finally at the groundbreaking. In lay terms, this improvement project is about constructing 2 pump stations. One will be north of Veterans, roughly here. One will be south of Veterans on the other side. What this does, these pump stations will be able to take water off of the streets of this area and put them directly into the 17th Street Canal. Right now, all the streets in this area, actually the water has to drain to Bonneville and out to the lake. So if the underground pipes are full and water is on the streets, this is the last water to move as our drainage system is currently designed. These pumps will suck the water off of the streets in this area and put it directly into the canal, so it will mean this area benefits tremendously with more quickly moving the water off of the streets here, and it also does allow the streets closer to the Bonneville area to be less inundated and to work more efficiently as well. So this really is a huge improvement for Metairie. These 2 stations will begin construction, and then in the future, the other thing you see on the map is a similar station to this. We are working through the permitting process and working through design for another one to be built at the end of West Esplanade. So these are important drainage improvements for Jefferson.
I often joke, and I guess when you've been around a long time, you get to see things come full circle. So the councilwoman knows I was a District 5 council member before she was, and whenever it would rain, you know the spots, and I know Jennifer knows those spots, where you kind of go drive and you'd see flooding in the street. And so whenever it would rain hard, I would drive behind Doronex because I knew that was a problem area. I would drive down Lake, I knew that was a problem area. I would go to Severn, I would go to Metairie Road. And so this project we actually started, and Kazim, he's in a different role now, but Kazim would be in my office, in your office now, and we were talking about the pipe, this pump station that was going here. So it's been that long in coming because it is that big of a project. This is a $17.3 million project, getting these public works projects to fruition, and actually where we're celebrating on a day where we're, have shovels in our hand is a big, big deal.
I know the parish president, like myself, and all of our directors, when we have heavy rains, when we have hurricanes, when we have storms, we are all concerned because this is the environment we live in, and that's what motivates us to continue to improve and push Jefferson forward in making drainage improvements that keep our homes, our families, our businesses safer from the threat of flooding.